Good morning, students. So, our next topic is font face. If we want to show our text in different font text style, so we can use face attribute. Means we can show our text in different text styles or text type like Arial, Times New Roman, Algerian, and many more that is supported by web browser. You can also change font type of the text you are displaying. This can be done by using face attribute. With face attribute, a list of font names is provided enclosed within codes. For example, the following code. So we can provide more than one font names in the face attribute like this. The browser, if supported first font, so it will show the text in first font style. Otherwise, it will show in the next text type. Likewise, the browser will render the text. In this example, also we have given 3 font styles or text. So the output will be like this. Next, physical text styles bold, italic or underline BIU. Physical text styles indicate the specific type of appearance for a section. Bold, italics, etc. Physical styles are rendered in the same manner by all web browsers. Various physical text styles are bold text. B means bold text. It will show text in darker or bigger. Italic text. The text will be in slant form. Typewriter text will be fixed width font. Underline text. In underlined text, a line below the text will be displayed. So in this code, we have provided text in bold also, italic, typewriter text and underline. So the output will be shown like this. This is the bold, italic, typewriter text and underline. Next, web browsers supporting HTML. HTML is supported by nearly all web browsers of today. This includes browsers like Opera, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Google Chrome, Mozilla SeaMonkey, Conquer, and Epiphany, etc. To open an HTML web page in any of this browser, you have to specify the web page's address, the URL of the web page. Next, view code of web page in a browser. Sometimes you need to view the HTML code of a web page that you are viewing in your browser. For Windows-based browsers such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge and Internet Explorer, all you need to do is right-click anywhere in the open web page. A shortcut menu will appear. Click at View Page Source command on that menu. So you will see the code of that particular web page.